It's summer! We're ready for the heat, the fun, and the sun. Let's do it together and find those great events because they've begun. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Hello, Localtarians! Hello, summer! We're here June 3rd, 4th, and 5th. We got your local love report. And don't forget, we're going to be thinking about you, Dad. So get down and have a great summer and get ready to celebrate Papa this year. All right, guys, let's get ready to find out all the hottest events coming up for your summer start. Let's go Friday! All right, guys, all month long, we got Bite30 presented by Publix Aprons Cooking School. And you can go to 30 plus top Orlando restaurants. You get a 3-course Prix Fixe menu for just $33 per person. So all those restaurants you always want to go to, you're like, oh, I can't do it. Now's your best time of the year to do that. So try out some of the best restaurants in town and enjoy. 10 a.m. on Friday, Jim Roberts' Southernmost Art and Literary Portraits at Orlando Museum of Art. Going on now until July 17th. Free up to $20 to get you in. Come on out and support artists. 12 p.m. Lunch and Learn, Pulse, 6 years later at Orange County Regional History Center. Come on out and celebrate and remember this time, which may not have been a glorious time in our lives. All of us have some memory of Pulse. Let's try to make it something brighter. 4 p.m. Florida Funk Fest 2022 at Orlando Amphitheater at the Central Florida Fairgrounds. $60 and up, and you can go get funky. 6 p.m. Mixed Fantasy at Faith Arts Village, Orlando. And it's free. Guys, if you've never been to Favo, it is an amazing place where you can enjoy artists of all walks of life. Come on out, enjoy this event, and check out some of the amazing artists that house right there in the village. 6 p.m. Strange Love, the Depeche Mode experience with Love Songs Cure Tribute at The Social. 6 p.m. Yacht and Roll at Swirlery Wine Bar. Come on out and enjoy these amazing lobster rolls and enjoy this great wine bar. 7 p.m. on Friday, Girls Night Out, Male Review at West End Trading Company. Oh yeah, ladies, get your dollar bills ready and come on out for a fun night of some beautiful gentlemen. 9 p.m. Keith Murray, DeFew, Swamburger at Will's Pub. $15 to get into this epic show. You do not want to miss it. I know if Swamburger's in the house, it is going to be amazing. Make sure you let them know that Amanda from Local Love said hey. All right, guys, 11:59 p.m. on Friday, Freaky Fridays, Nude on the Moon at Indian Theater. It's their goal once a month to bring you the freakiest shows and movies, so come on out and enjoy this epic experience. All right, guys, not done with your weekend? Need more things to do? Don't you worry, we've got a full event post ready for you on our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page. We do pin a new event post every single day to the top of that page so that you can always know what's going on. All right, so make sure you go and check it out. Lots of great stuff. Make sure that you subscribe and ring that bell because we are here doing this every single week just for you. Don't forget to check out some of our other great stuff on YouTube as well. And let's get ready for the heater of the weekend, Saturday. 7 a.m., 6th annual 4.9K Community Rainbow Run at Wadeview Park. $49 to come on out for this colorful event. 7:30 a.m. Make 'em Smile event at Lake Eola Park at North Roslyn Avenue and East Washington Street, Orlando. Get out there and bring your smiles. 9 a.m. UN World Environment Day cleanup in the Milk District at MX Tacos. Come on out and help keep our little neighborhood clean. 11 a.m. Rainbow Run After Fun at the Swirlery Wine Bar. That run's all done. It's time to have a little bit of time together with some awesome people and have a fun day. Come on out and enjoy. 12 p.m. Orlando Local Makers Pop-Up Market at the House on Lang. This free event is going to be full of amazing vendors from all over Orlando, so make sure you support our small businesses and enjoy some great homemade things. 4 p.m. on Saturday, Cool Summer at the Veranda at Thornton Park. $10 and up, and you can come out and have yourself the start of an amazingly cool summer. 6 p.m. Freedom of Expression Market and Carnival Exhibition at Orlando Brewing. Come on out to this free event and express yourself. 6:30 p.m. 152 Productions presents Little Lazy, Mantra, Run the Riot, Delaspine, Amapola, Toe at the Geek Easy. All right, guys, this is a great opportunity to support local music. Get out there, have some fun, and check out one of the nerdiest places you're ever going to see. Come on out and enjoy a good night at the Geek Easy. 7 p.m. Sink In, Not Enough Space, Hollowbrook, and Television Supervision are going to be at the Hanau Contemporary Center. So come on in and enjoy even more great music for your weekend. 9:30 p.m. on Saturday, Gay Days at Irish Shannon's Nightclub and Caladestino. All right, guys, keep this weekend rolling. Make sure you support local artists. Check out their great work on Instagram. We do have a video about that just came up last week. So make sure you don't forget to check that and some of our local small businesses on Instagram. You can even follow us at locallove_now and show us what kind of fun you're having over your weekend. Also, guys, if you're a musician, or maybe you're in a band, let us know. Whatever it is you're up to in this city, drop us a comment, let us know so that we can certainly promote what you guys are doing and share even more great local fun with our viewers. All right, guys, so here we go. I hope you guys are excited. We're going to have an amazing summer together, and this is just the beginning. All right, guys. Sunday, 9 a.m. Special Olympics USA Games opening ceremony at Exploria Stadium. $17.36 and up to come out and support these amazing folks and all the amazing games they're going to be doing. It is a worthy cause. 9 a.m. CFFC Park Cleanup at Kiwanee Park. Coming out and support this great cleanup event and enjoy hanging out with people with like-minded thoughts and having a wonderful day together. 10 a.m. Drag Brunch, Just Say Gay at Island Time. All right, guys, you know they've got an amazing brunch every single week, so come on out, support them, and you can say gay as much as you want at this party. 11 a.m. A Diva Brunch, Wigs, Waffles, and Attitude, Volume 2 at Tuffy's Bottle Shop. Wow, it's going to be a tough call to figure out which one you're going to because both of them sound absolutely amazing, but make sure you make it out to one of these amazing events. 1 p.m. Gilly and the Girl at Boxy Park, Lake Nona. 3 p.m. Orlando Jazz Orchestra presents a tribute to Dizzy Gillespie at Blue Bamboo Center for the Arts. $30 and up, and you can come out and enjoy a jazzy afternoon. 5 p.m. Cabaret and Cocktails Pride Show at the historic Artisan Downtown Hotel in DeLand. Come and get your pride on. Enjoy some wonderful music and cocktails in a great place. 6 p.m. on Sunday, Straight Men, Real Makeup at Hamburger Mary's. This is an annual event to benefit One Pulse Foundation, presented by Makeup and Creative Arts, LLC, and themorphstore.com. So make sure you come check it out. It is a wonderfully funny event that you will not want to miss. 7 p.m. The Improvjectionist, Bacon Grease, Sayoma Clochico, Bradley Floyd, all playing live at Uncle Lou's. $10 to get you in this array of amazing local people. Gotta love them. You are not going to want to miss this show. There are some amazing talents. So come on out and support this great venue. All right, guys, and this is it. This is the end of your weekend. 9 p.m. Bob Ross plus metal at the Falcon. Black, death, tech, thrash, sludge, doom, progressive, and the classics, plus Bob Ross on the tube. And it's free, so come on out and enjoy your happy little metal accident. All right, guys, in the meantime, make sure you get out there, try some great new places to eat. Maybe just go for a walk in the park. Just enjoy this beautiful place we live. And we will be back before you know it with more videos. And, of course, to let you know more events that are coming up. We hope that you enjoy this every week. And if so, make sure you drop us a comment. Don't forget to follow us on all of our other platforms, guys. And we'll be looking for you to join us soon. All right, guys, other than that, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. And as I said, make sure you leave us a comment. And don't forget to show us some love. It's free to subscribe, you know, and we would love to have you back again and again. And other than that, guys, peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.